You have an active, energetic, rather restless nature. You don't like to stay still too long. You like to be doing something most of the time. Well, the only thing I'd say to you is go out and do something most of the time. In addition to a fairly busy